Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a specific Fortnite error that many players encounter, error code 93. If you're seeing this connection or matchmaking error when trying to join games, I've got you covered with these proven solutions that should get you back to the battle royale in no time. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. This error typically relates to network connectivity issues, Epic Games services, or client-side problems. First, let's try the simplest solution: restart your game and router. Completely close Fortnite and restart your game launcher. While that's happening, unplug your router from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait for all the lights to stabilize before attempting to launch Fortnite again. If that doesn't work, let's check the Epic Games server status. Sometimes error code 93 indicates server-side issues. Visit status.epicgames.com to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance affecting Fortnite services. Now, let's verify your game files through your game launcher. If you're using the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, click the three dots under Fortnite, and select Verify. This will check for and repair any corrupted game files that might be causing the error. For persistent issues, let's check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes security software can block Fortnite's connection. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall. Remember to re-enable them later, then try launching Fortnite again. If it works, you'll need to add Fortnite to your security software's exception list. If you're still getting the error, let's try using Google's DNS servers. Go to your network settings and change adapter options, right-click your active connection properties, Internet Protocol version 4, use the following DNS servers: 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. For those using wireless connections, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. This can provide more stable connectivity for online gaming. If the problem persists, let's check for any VPN or proxy software that might be interfering. Temporarily disable any VPN services or proxy servers, then try launching Fortnite again. As a last resort, you might need to reinstall Fortnite. First, uninstall through your game launcher, then delete any remaining Fortnite folders. Download a fresh installer from the Epic Games website and install again. I know how frustrating error code 93 can be when you're trying to enjoy Fortnite with friends. One of these solutions should resolve the connection issue. For most players, verifying game files or checking server status does the trick. If this guide helped you get back to playing Fortnite, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.